How to download Bluetooth driver for Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu and search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, double click on Bluetooth and select your file. Click on Update Driver. After that, at the top, click on Search Automatically. Then after in the next page, simply go to Search for updated driver on Windows Update. It will direct you to Settings. In Advanced option, simply search for driver. If not available, update your Windows. After that, the second method is to go to the official website of your device and search for Bluetooth driver. So here in the official website of Lenovo, you can go to the type of product or you can simply go to Product Home. Click on Driver and Software, search for Bluetooth and click on Bluetooth and Modem. Once you click on it, it will be downloaded on your device. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, This Tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.